Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef, and welcome back to my bar. These two things are not items that you generally think of going together. Campari is such a strange liqueur, and blanco tequila, but they make a really great drink, and this is called a siesta. So many years ago, I was at an all-inclusive resort in Mexico. You spend a lot of time drinking a lot of tequila drinks at a resort or something like that, and you're going to find out you kind of get tired of margaritas. So I had a bartender make me this drink one day. I'd never had it, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. It's really simple. I never recommend using a really expensive, good tequila in a mixed drink. That's just not what it's for. You'll need grapefruit juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. That's all there is to it. In a shaker full of ice, I'm going to start with 1.5 ounces of blanco tequila. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of simple syrup and 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Last but not least, only 1/4 ounce of Campari. You do much more than that, and it's going to change the flavor of this unbelievably. Now just grab your shaker tin and let's give it a good shake. For this drink, I'd like to strain it into a coupe. It just really looks nice in an open glass like this. And it has a beautiful pink color that just screams flamingo, doesn't it? That is called a siesta. If you've never had one of these, I really recommend you give it a try. If you don't use pink grapefruit juice, it won't be quite that pink or red, ruby red, but it'll still have a nice color. It's a nice change from a traditional margarita. It's really good. Until next time, if there's a drink you'd like me to make, there's something you'd like me to cook, whatever, all you got to do is just comment right here on this video or send me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Have an awesome day. Please share, like, subscribe, and drink and eat fabulous.